Hi friends, welcome to Nestala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make ginger garlic paste at home in restaurant style. The need of ginger garlic paste in Indian kitchen is a bit high. But preparing the paste every day is a hassle as it's a big work to clean and peel the ginger and make paste and use it. In these busy days, it's very difficult. However, the taste that comes from fresh ginger garlic paste is definitely at another level. If you prepare this paste in the way I show you, it will stay good for 2 months with same freshness and aroma. Watch the video until last. I'll be sharing small tips throughout the video. Since this is going to stay good for 2 months, we have to choose fresh ginger and good quality garlic. Clean ginger with salt water and wipe it nicely. Peel off the skin and make small pieces. You need not remove the skin of garlic as the garlic skin has many medicinal values in it. Now let's see the measurements. 1 cup garlic, 3/4 cup ginger, half spoon turmeric, 1 spoon salt and half cup oil. Always remember your ginger quantity should be less than the garlic quantity for better taste. And before blending them in the mixer jar, make sure your mixer jar is dry. See, now I am adding all these ingredients into the mixie and we will not be using any water here, and you have to make sure your ginger is thoroughly dried. See the oil that we have taken, add half the oil into the mixie jar and keep the rest half aside. Now I'm going to blend it in the mixie. We should not make a very fine paste out of it. It should be in this texture. See, since we are going to store this in refrigerator, it is better if we store it in a glass jar. Glass jar retains the freshness and the same aroma will be there until the last bit of it. After transferring this ginger garlic paste into the mixer jar, I am adding the rest of the oil that we have taken. And I am just setting it up. I'm not mixing it in the entire paste, but I've just added it on as a top layer to our ginger garlic paste and I'm setting it up. Now, this stays good for almost 2 months. And when you add it in any dish, the taste will be exactly like the fresh homemade ginger garlic paste. Hope you will also try this. If you like it, do share it with your friends and family members. Bye.